Welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how we can use components in Laravel. So let's get started. Let's create a new project, Laravel new, and then project name Laravel. So should be your components with authentication scaffolding. Let's wait for some time. Okay, now the project is created successfully. Let's cd into this project. Let me open this project in Sublime. Okay, let me go inside of resources, views, auth, and then register page. Here we have different fields like name, email addresses, password, and confirm password. Now let's convert those input field and apply new component approach. So to create a new component, Laravel provides a command called php addition make component and then component name. Let's say input field. And then this command will generate two files, which is one inside of app view and components, and then input field, which is a class which is rendering this view, components, input field, which is inside of resources, views, components, and then input field. Okay, so let's go inside of register page and let me copy this section. Let me copy this section and put inside of input field blade view. Let's do indentation. Okay, now let's go inside of register page and let me remove this part. Let's run the project. php addition serve. Inside of register page, here we don't have name field. Now instead of writing the previous code, let's use the component approach. To write a tag, we start with x and then a class name in kebab case, which is input field, in input field in kebab case. Let's see. Now we have the name field. The power of using components is we can reuse the same component multiple times. We have two different names. Now how we can use this component for different field like email and then password. Let's go inside of input field class, and then let's define public properties called public type name label. All right, then we can pass data like this: name equals to name, and then label equals to name, type equals to text. Okay, and inside of constructor, let's receive name, and then label, and then type. Name, label, and then type. This name equals to name, assign those values to those properties. This label equals to label, and then this type equals to type. Now let's refresh this page. Yeah, we have done this. Now inside of input field blade view, let's make those section dynamic so that we can reuse this particular input field component for different input. Instead of name, let's write name. For name, id, name, error, name, 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 old name, autocomplete name, error name, and then type equals to type. Here this is not name, this is label. All right, now let's refresh the page again. Now let's try doing registration. First, I have already created the database called Laravel components. Let me clear the cache. Now let's try if this works. Yeah, now we applied the component approach instead of default input field that comes up with Laravel login registration. Now let's use the component input field component for different field. Let's go inside of registration page, and then instead of writing this code, let's use the component x input field name with the name of email, label email address, type email. Let me refresh this page. Yeah, now we are using component approach instead of writing that code, which reduces the previous code as well, and we are reusing the same component multiple times. Let's do same with the password and then confirm password. X input field name equals to password, label equals to password, and type equals to password. Same for, let me copy this section, and name equals to password confirmation, label confirm password, type is password. So let's remove this section, this and this. Now I think it looks but cleaner than before and shorter than before as well. So let's try some of the validations if it works with validation as well. Yeah. Let me write a different password confirmation. Yeah, this is actually working and this is great. I hope you like this component approach. So this much for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel to get videos like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great time. Bye bye.